皆さんこんにちは。Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share the various ways to apologize in Japanese. Just like English, there are many ways to express I'm sorry in Japanese. Each with its own level of politeness and sincerity. Understanding these phrases is essential for navigating daily interactions smoothly.In this video, I will be your guide, helping you understand when and to whom to use each apology phrases. By the end of this video, you will be well equipped to handle any apology situation in Japanese. Let's get started. You've probably heard of the most common way to apologize in Japanese. ごめんなさい. This phrase is perfect for smoothing over any little mishap with your family, someone who are older than you, and even strangers on the street. ごめんなさい. ごめんなさい. However, if you want to express a deeper sense of sincerity in your apology when you truly regret your actions, you can add 本当に, which means really. So it becomes 本当にごめんなさい, meaning I'm really sorry. 本当にごめんなさい. 本当にごめんなさい. Now let's talk about apology among friends. If you want to say sorry to your close friend or someone younger than you, we often use ごめん or ごめんね, meaning sorry. These expressions are very casual and are commonly used in everyday conversation with friends. ごめん ごめんごめんねごめんね Informally yet slightly more serious tone, you can use ほんとごめん or マジでごめん meaning I'm really sorry. These phrases are usually for close friends and are used for more serious situations. ほんとごめんほんとごめんマジでごめんマジでごめん Let's explore another essential phrase. すみません すみません has a wider range of meanings. As I've explained in another video, it can be used not only for apologies, but also for seeking someone's attention, expressing gratitude, or even asking for a favor.When used as an apology, すみません is appropriate for situations where you've inconvenienced someone or made a mistake. It's also suitable for apologies in business or professional setting. すみませんすみません When you are at work, maintaining a professional manner is crucial. Instead of using ごめんなさい It's more appropriate to use the formal apology 失礼いたしました which translates to I apologize or I'm sorry. This phrase is suitable for addressing your superior, clients, customer in a professional setting. 失礼いたしました失礼いたしました In situations that call for a deeper level of apology, you can enhance the phrase by adding 大変 before it, resulting in 大変失礼いたしました This phrase means I deeply apologize or I'm truly sorry. 大変失礼いたしました大変失礼いたしました For more sincere apology, you can use 申し訳ありません or its more formal version 申し訳ございません For an even deeper sense of apology, you can say 誠に申し訳ございません which means I'm terribly sorry. By acknowledging the severity of the situation, and it becomes suitable for serious mistakes or offenses at work. 申し訳ありません。申し訳ありません。申し訳ございません。申し訳ございません。誠に申し訳ございません。誠に申し訳ございません。Now let's talk about how to respond when someone apologizes to you. When someone say ごめんなさい you can respond with 大丈夫です meaning it's okay or 全然大丈夫です which translates to it's totally okay. The word 全然 means totally, emphasizing that there is no need to worry. 大丈夫です。大丈夫です。全然大丈夫です。全然大丈夫です。If it's your friends who apologize to you, you can simply say 大丈夫。大丈夫。Another casual response is いいよ which means it's fine or no problem. You can also say 全然いいよ for it's totally fine. いいよいいよ全然いいよ全然いいよ If you want to be extra understanding, you can say 気にしないで or 心配しないで which means don't worry about it. More polite way 気にしないでください心配しないでください This response shows empathy and helps the other person feel at ease. 気にしないで気にしないで気にしないでください気にしないでください心配しないで心配しないで心配しないでください心配しないでください If you feel there is no need for an apology, you can say 謝らないで More polite way 謝らないでください meaning don't apologize or 大したことじゃないから More polite way 大したことじゃないですから meaning it's not a big deal These responses help to downplay the situation and reassure the apologizer that everything is okay 謝らないで謝らないで謝らないでください謝らないでください大したことじゃないから大したことじゃないから大したことじゃないですから大したことじゃないですから By using these responses, you can effectively communicate your understanding and forgiveness in various apology situations. Example conversation with friends ごめん、昨日の約束忘れちゃった大丈夫、気にしないで with a friend 遅くなってマジでごめん全然いいよ渋滞がひどかったんでしょう at work 報告書の提出を遅れてしまい、大変失礼いたしました。次回はちゃんと時間通り提出してくださいね。at store お客様、大変申し訳ございません。大丈夫です。大したことじゃないですから。And there you have it. Understanding each phrase of apologizing in Japanese can help you navigate various social and professional situations with grace and respect. I hope you enjoy my video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for next video. I love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see in my future video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming video. ではまた。